The trap was not the AI. It was the career path you were sold before AI arrived. AI did not kill specialization. It just exposed how fragile it already was. Your specialization did not collapse because AI is powerful. It collapsed because it was always one decision away from being unnecessary. AI did not build the trap, it just sprung it. Subscribe to Technology Upside because understanding why specialization was already fragile is the only way to build something that is not. The corporate obsession with hyper-specialization was an efficiency play. Narrow the role, increase output, and reduce cost. It worked until the environment changed faster than the role could adapt. Specialists are optimized for one condition. The market stopped holding still. The companies winning right now are not the ones with the deepest specialists. They are the ones with the smallest, most adaptable teams. One person who can research, build, communicate, and iterate replaces 4 people who can only do one of those things. That is not a team restructure. That is a market signal. Here is what nobody tells the specialist staring at this reality. Pivoting is not about abandoning what you know. It is about understanding what the market is now paying for. And what it is paying for has a specific name. That is what the next video is about.